I'm Larry Sweetall. I own this 58 Dodge. It's a 58 Dodge Super D-500 convertible springtime edition. And in 1958, it was a recession year. Cars weren't selling well, so Dodge, in the spring, they put out what they call the springtime edition, and then you could get these colors on it. The color on this Dodge is only springtime. It's called poppy red, but it's kind of a rosy red. And all the side trim, and there's pieces on the back, if you saw them around the license and so forth, and this little emblem. And some of the other stuff came on the springtime edition. They were trying to puff up the cars so they could sell more of them. But the base motor in 58 was a 350. And when you bought the D500 package, then they upped it to a 360 point. They punched out a 350 and so it come out to be a 361. So this one has a 361 with two 4s on it. It'd be the very top of the line that you could buy in 1958 in a Dodge. And it has push button drive in it, and I have the Highway Hi-Fi, and I have the Mirror-Matic, which I don't know if it's quite right for this year, but I love them. The interior is the correct original interior. They put the gold weave through this. You can get it from AMS. The dash pieces I found in a 4-door. They are absolutely mint, and there's no way you can restore those if they have one little ding in them. So those are perfect. Everything else, it's done back to original to be perfect to original. It's documented. I got tons of documentation on it. I believe it to be the only 58 Custom Royal Super D500 Springtime Edition in the country. So it's a very rare car.